Hey, good evening. Mep here, Mep Investments, bringing you another video on the stock market and crypto market, market trends, etc. Today was a good day. 45 trades, positive day on the P&L, climbed back to almost break even on the year, which is I'm happy. But the main thing is that you have a systematic process and are mechanical on a daily basis. Did my video 4 days ago. I'm actually using the desktop um, today for the video, which I haven't done in a while. Up to 316 subscribers. Thank you to all the subscribers on the channel. Really appreciate that. Hit that like button, comment below, um, and share the video if you find it helpful. Let's take a look at the futures. We have the futures here. You can see my arrow right here. We got the 10-year um, at 1.85. So this correlates with ZN right down here, which when they buy when the bonds go up, the futures, the yields go down, and vice versa. When they sell the bonds, the rates go up. So you can maybe say that this is risk off. We could take a look at the dollar. And dollar is up, meaning maybe people are being risk averse. Always look at these two things um, when formulating your game plan to know if it's risky or risk off, etc. Foreign currencies are a mixed bag with the dollar being up. You have the pound up a little bit, the loonie up a little bit. That's pretty much it. Bitcoin, we are 43,985. If you want to take a look at the crypto market, we can go to CoinGecko. I haven't collected my candies. I'll do that on my phone because I don't think they have it here. I haven't signed in here. Crypto market is over 2 trillion. Bitcoin 43,909 and Ether almost at 3K. In the last 24 hours, here are the movers. Like I suggested, right now in this environment, the Federal Reserve talked about raising rates today. They're only going to go 25 basis points, which everybody knew is pretty much what they were going to do. There's no way they're going to raise rates uh, 0.5%. I mean, they only talk about raising rates and the markets get hit pretty hard. Here you have the S&P's chart. And we're trying to fight here to get back to the 200-day moving average at 443.40 with maybe a little bit of MACD here crossing over in more bullish action. We shall see. I think there's a lot of factors out there with inflation and geopolitical that can maybe put some pressure on stocks. So I don't think it's all go. We still have the VIX at elevated at almost 30, and it's up right now 35 cents to almost 30. It was down today $2 on the day because we had a pretty good day. The VIX was down 258 on this product VIX, 3074 down 7.74%, 258. Small caps up 50 to 2.5%. Nasdaq up 1.62% to 219 up. S&P up 80 and Dow Jones up 596. So it was a good day in the stock market. Nice rally on the news, but there's risks out there still. So you got to be careful. Um, Make sure you beta weight your portfolio. You could beta weight it right here where it says position statement. Just hit this check right here and beta weight it to your SPY, to the SPY. You look at your positions down here. You add delta. So you add delta. You add delta here on this gear, and you add. This computer's a little slow. Um, you add delta here. You look for delta. You could type it here and put delta here, and then right here comes up delta. And right now, on this account, I'm basically flat, just a little bit negative, with 249 theta working for me, which is the time decay. All right. So that's that on a beta weight on here on the TOS platform, Thinkorswim. Like I said, on the crypto market, I would just focus on Bitcoin and Ether. I mean, I like probability trades, and I can't do probability trades when buying cryptos. If they had options in the future, if they ever added them, then I might do that. So I still hold Bitcoin, Ether. I have some Shiba Inu. Um, you guys know the ones I own: Mana, Sandbox. Those are pretty much the big ones I own. Going back over here to the futures, oil up to 113, up 243. I'm taking some pain in oil right now. Um, and I'm looking for a revert to the mean here. Hopefully, here is the chart on oil. We could look at the 5-day chart, and we went from 90, we gapped up to about almost 100 here, a little bit less than 100, and then it's just been up to 113. So, I mean, some overbought conditions. We shall see. S&P down 5, gold up 7, feeders 158, cattle 140, hogs 106. So meat prices are hanging in there pretty high. Small caps 2050. Gold, Nasdaq down 33 to 14,205. Natural gas up 9 to 485. Palladium and platinum pretty flat for now. But here you can look at palladium was at 2,300 5 days ago. We're up to 2,600. And platinum was at 1034 up to 1070. So platinum's been pretty steady. Silver, nice move in silver from 24 to high 25s, not to 25 and a quarter. We talked about the VIX. Here are the grains. They've really gone bonkers with all this Ukraine and Russia news. So Russia, in my opinion, is wanting to get into Ukraine for wheat, obviously, and they're a big oil exporter, so they want oil to go up as well. But wheat, if they get hold of Ukraine, they will probably control 30% of the world's wheat uh, commodity. So that's a dangerous thing. Um, and wheat prices right here are reflecting that. I'm down on wheat. I'm shorted it. I think we need to revert to the mean, but whatever. We'll see. We shall see what happens. And that's pretty much it. We have grains popping, uh, bonds up, so interest rates have come down a little bit. VIX green, metals were up, energy's up, indexes pretty much they're all down for now. Copper had a little bump up today to 468, and that was it. Um, bar chart. Let's take a look at the most actives. So a lot of green. Nice day for Apple, Tesla. I mean, we had a pretty much broad-based rally. AMD, Ford, Nvidia, nice day. Intel, everybody was nice. Planeteer, flat. Neo, flat. Alibaba has been a pretty crazy China stock with a lot of China regulation uncertainty. DraftKings down a little bit because Major League Baseball's on a strike. Rivian got hit hard today. Um, I think Rivian has earnings soon. I do have a position in Rivian, and I am getting beat up there. Uh, Rivian Automotive shares are trading lower following multiple reports suggesting the company is raising vehicle prices. So that's why they got hit today. Um, which might be a good thing. Who knows? I don't know what to tell you there. Cars are crazy priced. What else? Snap down some. We could talk about earnings too. Roblox, I have a position down. Iron Condor and Square. Lockheed Martin down 6. Defense. Roku down a little bit. I did a put credit spread. Netflix down some. I did a put credit spread. Undervalued. And that's pretty much it. We got 29,000 volume. This is pretty much the top ones today. Uh, my undervalued list. These stocks seem undervalued to me. Jazz reported a good. They're biopharma. They reported good. Nordstrom had a nice quarter. They were up. Mohawk does flooring, undervalued. Ross Stores undervalued. Allstate undervalued. Logitech undervalued. 3M undervalued. PP&G, they do, I think, chemicals and stuff like that. I think Buffett was in that, undervalued. ZipRecruiter, I need to do more work on ZipRecruiter, but they are buying back their own stock. TJ Maxx undervalued, Intel undervalued, Foot Locker undervalued. Need to do more work on Worldwide. VFC undervalued. Monroe is undervalued, but they do a lot of repairs for cars. And with the EV future coming, I don't know what the future holds for them. So that's an iffy one. NVEC, uh, undervalued, but they don't have options. Cara, I need to do more work on biopharma. Flex Steel, need to do more work. They missed on their quarter, but pretty undervalued. Uh, Urban Outfitters undervalued. Walgreens, Terminex, Landstar, Hormel, Foods, Prego. I think they do medical stuff, genetic drugs, I think, or something. I need to do more research on them. I know they had some litigation problems. Xerox, undervalued. Weight Watchers, I like. I picked up. S SCPL, they do games, undervalued. AT&T, conglomerate but tough. UFI, I need to do more work. Heartland Express is a trucker. Canagra Foods, Kron, Weed, Manu United. NIU is a scooter company. EC, the options are really bad in there. Colombian, I think, Oil, INSG, need to do more work on them, and so forth. Um, they all seem pretty undervalued based on Guru Focus website. Um, so that's that. I did some earnings trades today, and I'm more active, and I will continue to be more active, and I will do more videos going forward. Um, I got more free time. What was I gonna do here? Oh, let's go to this little website that I like, Stock Tweets. I'm gonna go to the earnings. So today, these were the earnings today. Actually, this guy does a pretty good job with his little graphs. Props to him. Um, so today for earnings, we had Snowflake, which got annihilated. Let's take a look over here in the chart, see what happened here. Uh, Snow. So Snowflake got hit in earnings from was about 270 plus down to 184, and it hit 206. It's still expensive. I think I heard them say on CNBC Fast Money, I think it's 35 right now, 35 PE, I think something like that they were saying, or even more. I think they said, can't remember exactly. On my Google Focus doesn't give me any good value for this stock, but I think going back on the chart, 165 I think was the low. Actually, 184. It did hit that on after hours on the 1 year chart. Yeah, 184. Yeah, 184 hit. So this one got hit hard. Um, I don't know if I will do something in there. Um, it closed at 206. In the after hour, oh, what else do we have here? Okta was another one that reported. I think I did something in Okta and it's not looking too good. It closed at 172. And I have in Okta, this works good. I'll probably do more videos here because I could just click and it pops up. So this is the trade I did in Okta. Right now we're here. So if it closes at 170 would be max profit of 278. Right here you can see the blue. Max profit's 270 by Friday. I put this on for a credit of $35. So I got paid to put that trade on. We shall see. Yeah, 170. Okay, so that was my trade in Okta. What else? I did a trade in Coupang. My trade in Coupang, if that's how you say it, Coupang is it was a 27 and it closed at 25.55 after hours. And my trade in Coupang, let me open this up a little bit here. It's an iron condor. So if Coupon stays within 22 and 28, I make money by this Friday. So that's a trade I put on. Just a small trade, nothing crazy. You can see them here. So it's basically picking up on the well, this one doesn't show IV rank, but here in the Tasty Work platform, I forgot how to spell it. CPNG. CPNG is 74, so pretty high IV rank. And this is what an iron condor looks like. Nice visual here. It's a range bound trade, and all you're looking for is the IV rank to contract, basically. Sorry, I hit the wrong button. I wanted to see something here. Let me see if I can add an indicator here so you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so let me yeah, this is fine. So this is a month chart with on a daily, right? So you can see that the IV rank is at 74, and here it is, IV. You see? You see how they're very high? So what's going to happen is after they report, it goes plot and it goes straight down. So for example, who reported yesterday? JWN maybe? Let me see if it contracted. Okay, so um, Nordstrom reported yesterday. They were up 739 today. IV rank is still at 51, but it was higher. It was up to 80. And you can see how it contracted to 58. You see how it's contracting after the binary event? So you got to take advantage of this volatility because this is where the options are expensive. Um, Let me continue with the earnings trades. Splunk. I did a broken wing butterfly in Splunk. Let's see what Splunk did after hours. Once it hit 130 and then 117. My trade in Splunk was 105. I got $25 here. Expires Friday. $25 here, and I need on the analytics tab. Here's Splunk. It's at 117. I need it to go down to 105 for max profit. If Splunk doesn't go down to 105, I keep my $25. If it goes up, I still keep it. If it comes down and lands at 105, I can make bonus money. So, pretty cool trade, if you ask me. Um, so that was Splunk. Vive, I think Vive did very bad, and I might be in some pain with Vive. It traded down to 205, and I did a put credit spread, which is not looking good because I sold the 210. So we'll see. I have 16 days on this trade because this one expires in 16 days, and the IV rank is at 100. We shall see because Vive hasn't really been down to this level. So, and it's very undervalued based on Guru Focus. 199 was the low, and it really bounced back. And the stock has been really beat up. And I think they had decent earnings, if I'm not mistaken. They're like a cloud for medicine play. So V System sees earnings per share of 91 to 92 cents minus 94, sales of 495 to 496. Their earnings and revenues top estimates. So they beat. I wonder if so their profit declined even as revenue jumped. I would have to see what their guidance was. But anyways, it was down and I have 16 days. We shall see what happens on that one. And what's the next one? Let's see here. I put a lot of earnings trades today. I put a trade on Box. Just small trades, just trying to be active. I think Box did good. And I did a negative trade on them. So we shall see what happens. It's right there. It's a small trade. So basically, I lose 56 if it goes. I lose 56 if it goes up. No, sorry. I make 56 if it goes down, and I lose if it goes if it goes high, completely higher. I could lose 144. We shall see what happens. I think I did on the weeklies. Oh no, boxes and on was 16 days. So I still have time there. PSTG, let's see how I think they were really high. And I bet against them. Yeah, they were up a little bit too. And I sold the 28.29. So we shall see. But IV rank was 82. and I have 16 days. So we shall see there. And TNX, I think they were up. Yeah, they were pretty flat. I saw the 25-24 put credit spread. They said they were undervalued in the Guru Focus, so um, I did a put credit spread on them. And that was today. In the morning, we have Best Buy, Kroger, Billy, and BJ's and Big Lots. I think I did these four. So we'll see how they report tomorrow. And I'll do another video tomorrow on these earnings on the afternoon to see how I did there. Okay? And I promise you I'll do a video. I'm gonna probably do a video every day going forward. I have some extra time now on my hands. So yeah, that was that. I don't have the earnings for tomorrow. We can take a look here. Tomorrow's Thursday. Tomorrow's Thursday, yeah. So we know what's in the morning. So let's see what's after the bell. Any big names? Let's see. Gap. I own Gap. I have a put credit spread. Ooh, Avago. Nice name. Costco. Ooh, good names. Two good names there. Would have to do homework on Veritone, Smith and Wesson. Oh, Funko. They do those. I think they do those little dolls. Well, I forgot the name of the dolls. What else do we got here? And I'm just going off the top of my head. I would have to do more research on them from looking at these names and just studying markets all the time. AVAV. I think they do drones. Marvel Technology. Nice name. Gotta look at that one. Billy. Oh, those are before the bell. All right, cool. So that's after the bell. So I promised to do a follow-up video on the earnings that I did for this morning, and I'll give you a follow-up on on these trades, how they go on my daily videos. Make sure you share the video because I'm going to be doing them daily, and you guys stay engaged. Hit me up on the comments, anything you want to see. I think I've covered a lot of material today. Stay safe. Have a good night, and see you tomorrow.